In our previous modules, we have emphasized the importance of ethics and responsible practices when using generative AI. For certain tasks, it's crucial to determine which content is created using AI, especially for scenarios where human creativity is valued. For instance, recruiters may require candidates to submit their work without AI intervention. Similarly, assignments in schools and colleges may consider the use of generative AI as plagiarism. Even at work, many proposals and reports would mandate generative AI free content. Many companies have banned the use of generative AI tools in official settings to prevent data leakage. It's very clear that just like we need antivirus to detect and remove viruses from our systems, we need tools to distinguish AI-generated content. While we have plagiarism tools for checking content originality, text generated by AI isn't simple copy-paste job found elsewhere on the internet. This complexity can evade conventional plagiarism checks. To handle this complexity, we have generative AI for our rescue. And that's where tools like GPT Zero come in. In this lesson, we'll explore how GPT Zero can empower you to identify AI-generated content effectively. Let's delve into this exciting tool. We'll be working with Google Chrome to demonstrate this tool. Head to your search bar and type Origin by GPT Zero. Click on the first link. On the corner right-hand side of your screen, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Once the download is complete, head to the Extensions button. You can pin Origin by GPT Zero to your top panel. Click on it. You can also adjust its settings as needed. You can hide the Origin button and your Origin button disappears from the screen. You can unhide it, hide the Google Docs writing report, or reset its position. For now, let's go to the document that we wish to analyze for an AI-based plagiarism check. And as you can see, Origin by GPT Zero is already presenting itself on the screen. Click on Get Started. Agree to its terms of service. As you can see, Origin also gives a brief introduction about the work that it can do. Click on Get Started. You can see the kind of work that you can get done using Origin Writing Report. You can get an AI scan done for your entire report, view the writing report, and even play the writing video. Now, let's try this tool. Go back to the Origin button. All you have to do is either highlight the text and right-click to scan with Origin, or copy and paste the content that you want to check into the designated box. You can also check the content of entire page by using the command Ctrl-Shift-O. Let's try it. Let's copy the content that we wish to check and paste it in the designated text box. And once that is done, click on Origin Check. And the generative tool promptly tells us whether the content was generated by AI or human. You can see the full text analysis to gain a detailed understanding of which parts of the content may have been created using AI, if any. For example, it mentions that the highlighted text is generated using AI. Similarly, you can edit this text and again go for an Origin check. Moreover, if you wish to use Origin by GPT Zero for an unlimited number of times, all you have to do is sign into GPT Zero. You can sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged into your account, you can head back to your document and try other features of Origin by GPT Zero, like scan the full page. Clicking on it will generate the result for the entire page. Wasn't this just a super easy and effective way to determine which content is generated using AI, while which is created solely by human creativity. This tool offers a quick check for the content you've created. It can help you determine if received content was generated using AI or not. The best part? It's free and you can access it directly from your work environment without the need to switch between the tabs.